Bonjour everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to make French learning easy for everyone. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share your views in the comment box. Merci tout le monde. Good morning, students. After the lesson 1, we are presenting here the lesson number 2. It is dealing with the two things: talk about a name, ask someone what is your name and give the answer, and how to give the different answers of how are you, comment ça va. So we have the lesson here. Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Je m'appelle. I am. Or my name is. Oui. Yes. No. No. Les enfants. The children. Je means I. Tu means you. Il means he and it. Elle means she and it. Je, tu, il and elle, these are the pronoun subjects. Je is our first person singular. Tu, second person singular. Il, third person singular, used for masculine. Elle, third person singular, used for feminine. Elle s'appelle, she is or her name is. Il s'appelle, he is or his name is. And we have some expressions: toi, you, moi, me, et, and, aussi, also, comment ça va, how are things going. So with the help of these words, we are going to study a dialogue. Bonjour les enfants. Je m'appelle Nita. Bonjour madame. Tu t'appelles Shivam? No. Je m'appelle Ravi. Good morning, children. I am Nita. Good morning, madam. Are you Shivam? No, I am Ravi. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Sakshi. Moi, je m'appelle Mona. Je m'appelle Sunil et elle s'appelle Roma. What's your name? I am Sakshi. Me, I am Mona. I am Sunil and she is Roma. So for telling the name, in every sentence, we are using a particular verb, which is the verb s'appeler. Verbs are action words that express the action or state of being of a sentence. The basic form of a verb in French is called the infinitive. Regular verbs are grouped into three types, or you can say three categories, according to the ending of their infinitive form. They are ER, IR, and RE. To explain it, if you look at these two verbs which I have written, s'appeler, to call oneself, and aller, to go. The last two verbs are ending with ER. So they are ER group of verbs. They come in the category or in the type of ER verbs. If the verb is ending with IR, they are called IR group of verbs. If the verb is ending with RE, they are called RE Grupa verbs. So, ending of their infinitive form always tells us of which group of verb is it. S'appeler verb means to call oneself, and every verb has a conjugation in French. Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. Je m'appelle means I call myself or I am, only for the name. Tu t'appelles, you call yourself. Il s'appelle, he call himself. Elle s'appelle, she calls herself. When you talk, when you tell your name, you will use the expression je m'appelle and you will write your name. Tu t'appelles, when you ask someone, tu t'appelles or comment tu t'appelles, as we have seen in the dialogue, what's your name? If you want to talk about a third person masculine, you will use il s'appelle, he is or he calls himself. And for a feminine, elle s'appelle, we will use the verb and tell about the name. Now we are studying another verb, aller, which means to go. But this verb is used also to talk about how are you. The conjugation of the verb is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Je vais means I go. Tu vas means you go. Il va means he goes. Elle va means she goes. Now we will use this verb aller in the dialogue. In the dialogue 3, bonjour Renaud, bonjour Athènes. Tu vas bien? Oui, oui, je vais bien, merci. Et toi? Moi aussi. Good morning Renaud, good morning Athènes. Are you fine? Yes, yes, I am fine, thank you. And you? Me also. Another dialogue. Moi, je vais bien. Tu vas bien? Elle va bien. Il va mal. Me, I am fine. Are you fine? She is fine. Il va mal. He is not fine. Now the same words we will use in another form when you write a word comment ça va. Comment ça va is how the things are going or how are you. Here are the different answers of this question. Bien, merci. Fine, thank you. Comme ci, comme ça. So. Ça va mal. I am bad. Not feeling good. Ça va super. I am feeling great. So students, you have studied in this lesson the two things: to talk about a name and to give the different answers of the form how are you. Thank you students. I hope you have understood this.